Hello everybody, back with another video, and today we're going to be learning how to make a website. Real quick, I'm going to show off my website that I made. It's NFTs, and you need Discord if you want to get any of these, and these cost Sunbeam from Save the World, or basically anything. um, you can give me mats, I'll take that as payment, anything. And yeah, and this is a subscription. There's more info right here. And then Valentine's Day stuff. So then we have an about us, blah blah blah, all this stuff. Alright, anyway, let's get into the main video that you clicked on. So you want to start up a new tab and write sites.google. I cannot type. Google.com. Don't worry, this is gonna be in the comment. Oh my god. This is gonna be in the description. So we're gonna click blank to start a new one. And then here, we can just put anything. So I'm just gonna delete this. You guys can make your own website. This is an example. So, and then here's the site name right here. Yeah, there. And then here, for example, we can just do this. And then if you want to add an image, so you can upload it from your computer, from your drive, or you can select the image, or you can add any of these other options right here. So select image, Google search, and then we'll just get a random image here, boom, and then we'll just name it like that, and then I'm just writing random stuff. So you get the point. And then here, themes, you can have any types of color you want here, and even your custom color. So it's for like this background and the main typing. So look, this was the regular. Let's say we want a darker color, boom, or we want like that. We want it like that. It's gonna change to a dark color right there. So yeah, you can just select any of these as well. There's many more, and then you can make a custom one. And then I don't really know how to do this. I haven't done this. And then you can also add a logo and stuff if you want in the settings. Oh my god, my mic was on mute. I forgot. Okay, anyway. So yeah, you get the idea. This is themes and stuff. Pages. Like this is where you can do about us, podcast, pictures, anything. It's basically like the homepage, but copy of the homepage, so it's not really a homepage. So we'll just name this perfect. And if we want, we can have advanced. We're not gonna do that. And and then here's our atrocious name. Alright, and then from here we can add basically anything. So you guys get the idea. We can just add any image, anything here. We can embed something. We can add something from Google Drive, text box, and images. Like, you guys get the idea. You can just add anything. And then there's also these buttons, placeholders, YouTube. You can just add anything. And then I think that's about it. And then in settings, you can like have this. It's not recommended, but cool. And then brand, you can upload any image or, well, select simply. So and then just get a random image, insert, and boom. That's your logo. And then alt, I don't know what that is, but I think it's just like, I don't think that does anything. And then here's the info icon and stuff. Custom domain. Now this, if you do wanna use a .com, here, let me start it. So you either buy a domain or use a domain from a third party. I'm not gonna do this because this is an example. You guys can do it if you want. And then analytics, you can enable this and stuff. An announcement banner. This you can have it say anything, and the banner color can be anything as well. And then yeah, that's about it. And let's have homepage only. Boom. That happens, and oh, guess we gotta write something. Announcement banner. Just have that as the announcement banner. I don't know what's not showing up. Oh yeah, hold on. It's in the home page. So there it is. You can have any color you want there. And this button. You might have noticed it, you might have not. This, if you click it, it publishes it. So what did I do? Publish to the web. Oh, and then this is like the last part. So yeah. Publish E, and then you just hit the publish button. That's new. I didn't know that they did that. And then you can unpublish, view published site. Here it is. Oh no. It broke. Oh no. Alright, but yeah, you might want to have a simple writing or else it's not gonna work. And then here's the info icon. And then yeah. Well, I think that's all I got for this video. That's all I got to say. If this did help, I'm glad I could help. Anyway, guys, peace out.